Welcome back everyone. Today I brought something really amazing. SuperCode CLI. This is their GitHub repository, but the best part is that they say that DeepSeek version 4 Flash, GLM 5.2, Kimi K2.6, Minimax M3, and Tencent High 3 are all for free to use inside this CLI tool. Yeah, they say this. We will install and test it how it is and how is the speed of these free models. The top models like GLM 5.2, one of the popular model nowadays. Okay, so this is their GitHub repository, and I just found this. This is under MIT lessons. Now I will show you how to install it and how to configure to get these free AI models and to use them. So just go through their repository, and now we will move to the installation. So we will come here directly to their website, that is under Versal supercode ai.versal.app. These say on x.com that this is not an official like extension like .com or AI, because they said that this is already used by someone else. So we are working on it to get the supercode AI domain name. So just come here down, and this is the installation method. They say that just use npm command curl burn or npx, so you can install this CLI tool and use it. So let's first of all install this supercode CLI tool. I will copy this command. You can move to their documentation also, so you can read the documentation. So let's now install it. I will open PowerShell, or so this is PowerShell. I will right click paste this. npm install -g. It means globally supercode CLI at latest. Let's press enter and install this CLI tool, and we will test it, and also we will see can we get those free models or not. Just stay until the end of the video. So this is one of fantastic in a new tool. It is giving access to those models for free, like the GLM 5.2 and Minimax M3, which are the popular and top models nowadays. The SuperCode CLI package installed. So now to run this, come here to the documentation. We will simply, the second step is after installation, the second step is to log in. So to log in, for the login, we should use GitHub account. So let's copy this command, paste it, and press enter. So it is asking us open browser automatically. So verification code is this. So it says device authorization. Open this URL in your browser. Verification code is this. Let's press this. Step 2. It will directly come here to the terminal, and it is asking for device code. Continue. Continue with GitHub. So yes, so let's continue. So I have just authorized it, and this is supercode authorized device. That's it. Approved device. So device has been approved. So welcome. Yeah, that's it. Simply come here back to the yeah. We have completed the authentication. So after completing signing in with your GitHub account, so you will see the authentication page like this. Now let's run supercode. So it is asking a supercode CLI, which command we should use, help init. So let's simply use, I think, init. So that's it, authenticated. Yes, that has been authenticated. Now supercode pro priority agent mode, higher mode. Would you be interested in supercode pro plan? No, not right now. So scanning workspace. So welcome, yeah, your GitHub account. Now let's simply write /model and check the models. As you can see, DeepSeek version 4 Flash is free, GLM 5.2 is free, GLM 5.1, Kimi K2.6, Minimax M3, and Tencent Onion High 3 is free. These are all free to use. Like let's select GLM 5.2, which is a free model. After set the default, would you like to default? No, that's not good to be default. Now let's start with this. Hello, which model is this? Press enter. Yeah, that is. So now it is thinking. We will check the response from SuperCode CLI. As you can see, I'm SuperCode and interactive CLI, the SuperCode GLM 5.2. CLI coding, visibility, that's it. This was the response. So let's open it inside a folder and we will check the capability. Okay, let's close this. That's it. I will open a folder. Like this is a folder. I will delete this one and open the terminal back. Let's remove this and here I will write super code in it. So that's it. Now we will just start chatting with this. So simply let's select the model and we will select GLM 5.2. Default, yes, make it the default one. And here I will write create a snake game in a single HTML file. So that's it. Yeah, that is requiring permission. Support to want to write snake.html file. So simply once, always for session, no. We will write y. Okay, for yes. So I think I just selected no. Let's check the created or not. Yeah, the file has been created. That's it. Let's open it. Yeah, this is the snake game. Let's play it. Oh, that is amazing. That is something amazing that we can see the snake game has been built. Let's crash it. Okay, game over, score 5. So this was the capability of GLM 5.2 model, which is a super popular model and competing with the Claude Fable and Claude Opus 4.8 and GPT 5.5 and 5.6. So it was a super tool that I have introduced you to do. If the video was helpful, please hit the like button. Okay, it will help me to just motivate me to make more videos like this for free AI tools for student developers and all of you. And also leave a comment to support me and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.